Mulcahy.
One of the most popular wind-ups we've ever done appeared on the Best of the Wind-ups Vol.2. It was Connie Kelleher and his barking dogs, barking while he tried to answer the phone to the dog licence inspector. So at the behest of his wife Hannah, we rang him back a second time. Now the dogs are still going to be in the background, and Hannah's at the door calling him out to a fictitious character who isn't even there, all to annoy Connie and get him wound up again. We accused him of making poachine. Connie Kelleher.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Can I speak to Mr. Con Kelleher, please?
Speaking?
Mr. Kelleher, good morning. How are you?
Who's that?
Peter O'Toole is my name. I'm calling you from Dublin.
Oh?
Peter O'Toole, I'm calling from Dublin. I met a couple of your acquaintances in Shelbourne Park.
Stop you little Huh?
I met a couple of your acquaintances in Shelbourne Park over the weekend.
What'd you say?
I say I met a couple of your acquaintances in Shelbourne Park in Dublin.
Who there?
A fella, he called himself the Cat.
Why did I need that?
Anyway, he said you'd be able to put me in the way of a couple of bottles of poachine.
Ha!
He said...
Poachine? Christ, no, I would never need that stuff.
He said you'd be the...
Who's that? Who's that?
I think his first name was Jimmy, but he called himself the Cat.
I know any f***ing cat.
No, he said you'd be the right man to
Jesus
put...
Christ, where's that f***ing going on? Huh?
He said you'd be able to put me in the way of a couple of bottles of poachine.
Put your heat down, Christ, no, it's
Hey, everyone at the door!
What?
Everyone at the door!
Who wants this?
That's you!
Thank God! Jesus, hang on in it!
And get out the way!
I'll be out of it! And shut that f***ing gang off! I kick it! Hang on, what?
Okay, Mr. Kelleher.
Oh, yeah?
I'll be looking for a half a dozen bottles of the pure stuff, if you could come across it for me.
Hurry up, honey, will you wait?
Christ, I'm not doing some before now. You're looking for poaching.
There's somebody in place.
Come here, down there. Put a f***ing way. Tell him it's a f***ing way. I don't know. Huh? Hello?
Did I get you at a bad time?
I ain't kind of busy right now. Come here. I wouldn't have any f***ing poaching.
Well, I'm just looking
I don't know where you get that stuff.
I'm just looking for half a dozen bottles.
I know, who do you say you are?
Sorry?
Who do you say you are?
My name is Peter O'Toole. Are you deaf?
Peter O'Toole. From where? Where are you calling me from?
I'm calling you from Dublin, but I met some of your friends in Shelbourne Park at the Greyhounds.
In Dublin? Christy from Dublin? Huh?
And they told me that you'd be the man who, give me a couple of bottles for rubbing into the Greyhounds and stuff.
Did the girl? Christ, no, I wouldn't have. I don't know, you're the wrong person, I'd say.
Well, perhaps you
I know any fella called cat or f***ing dog or nothing.
Can you put me in touch with anybody who might be able to supply me with...
Up, you little
just for some medicinal purposes, you know?
No, right, no, you're the wrong person.
Are you sure now?
You want to go back to your source, whoever said it was me, the wrong man. The wrong man completely, I wouldn't go near the stuff.
Well, he said now you'd be the man with a good stash of it.
I must go here because there's a bad waiting for me outside.
Okay, well, will I call around for the poaching then?
No, Christ on, I say you f***ing deaf or something. I said I haven't any of the f***ing stuff.
Well,
and I don't know any f***ing cats or dogs or f***ing jimmies or nobody. Christ, if I say, will you hold on to some and the fellas for f***ing
Maybe you don't like talking over the phone. Maybe I'll call around and see you in person, will I?
Jesus Christ, I'm going away.
I'll call around and see you in person then, will I?
No, you don't even know where I live.
Well, I have the address. The lads gave me the address.
What?
Or perhaps you could drop it into my offices in Bandon.
To where?
To my offices in Bandon.
I thought you said you were going in Dublin.
I have, but I have an office in Bandon. It's called 103 FM.
What? Who? Where?
It's called 103 FM, County Sound.
County Sound, is that?
Yeah.
Christ, you f***ing again. Come here now, wait. Well, who's that? Is that f***ing Mulcahy fella?
Good morning, Colin. This is Mick Mulcahy.
Jesus Christ, will you go away and leave me alone? You have to catch me. Jesus Christ almighty, I got off a fight.
Oh, the end of side 1 already. We've got some more great laughs though on side 2, including, if you turn over quickly, Claire Sweeney being put out of her misery.